again, we'll run till we get down to one automobile. Pretty good shot right on the guy right there. 7106 already with a problem. Heather. Oh! Big shot. Oh, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Whoa, 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 whoa. We might need a medic. You're not supposed to hit that steering wheel that hard. Yeah, that was You wait a minute, somebody's coming. Hold it down, gentlemen. Gentlemen! Oh, he might have hit Lewis Myers, how about a nice big round of applause for Lewis? Made a great hit, but he got whacked there a little bit in the chest, I think, with a wheel. Steering wheel hit him, no doubt about it. Now, you really shouldn't be out here, guys and gals. Uh-oh. And also, I want these two people. Anybody that's not a driver or mechanic, get out of here. Even if you're a mechanic, get out. Stay off that track. You're going to disqualify that guy. They'll get it next. Not now. At the end of the heat. How about a nice round of applause for our fire department, our emergency people? We have 4 vehicles left. Wait till we clear the ground.
Yeah, you said 11.
Ready? Nope, hold on a minute, hold on. I'm sorry, fire department's not out of the way yet. You guys okay?
Tyler.
Yep. Ready, get set, go! Once again, we got 1, 2, 3, and a half. Running and going out there, Justin. In the number 15, Walter. In the number 1100, Dan. Work on a live car, guys. Work on a live car. Well, you deserve to hit the bump. 15 and 4X, live car. Oh! 1100 running again. All right. Yeah, all right. Yeah, take that, will you? Once again, we got 1, 2, 3 running and going. We got a double hit out there that time. 15 all but out of here. Once again, 4X dragging that back wheel. 1,000 not running. We may be down to 2. 4X and 15. I'm not sure. 1,100's on the clock. Oh, he's going again. 1,100 going again. We may be back to 2.5. 15 right on by. In that 15, Walter. In the 1100, Dan. I think 4X might be done. It's not sounding real good, 1100. Sounds like you got a hiccup and a headache. Oh, my gosh, you got it going. Good shot on him right there. Once again, we got 2.5 one more time. 4X stalled out, 1100 stalled out. 1100 going again. 15, 1100 is running again. In that 15, Walter, and in the 1100, Dan. 4X is all done, I do believe. We are down to 2 cars. 11 and 15, 1115. He's trying to make a little short car out of that long 1100. We get a hit, we quit. We get a hit, we quit. Well, by gosh, it's going again. I'm sure 1100 must be talking nice to it. That was front fender, that was not the door. He slid you around. He didn't do it intentionally anyway. Once again now, 15, Walter, and 1100 Dan. You done 15? 15, are you all done? Walter, are you done? Okay. Your winner is going to be the 1100, Dan Simon. And your runner-up, the number 15, Walter Hawkins. How about a nice round of applause for all of our contestants out here?
All right, I win.
Come get your money and your trophy.